Hello, I'm Representative Roger Goodman, and in today's Good Minute, let's talk about improving driving safety on our state's roadways. How many alcoholic drinks do you think you could have and still feel comfortable getting behind the steering wheel of a car? Whatever you're thinking, it's likely too many. In Washington, compared to most other states, we've had a serious problem with drunk driving for a long time. In recent years, about half of all traffic fatalities involved alcohol-impaired drivers. Between 2020 and 2024, nearly 1,000 people died in crashes involving a driver who had been drinking here in this state. These are all deadly crashes that could have been avoided, and many families would still have their loved ones with them. One important measure that would likely save lives would be to lower the legal blood alcohol level to determine impairment for drunk driving. Right now, that limit is 0.08%, as you may know. This year, the legislature is considering two bills which will lower the blood alcohol threshold to 0.05%. The House Community Safety Committee, where I serve as chair, has already voted the bill out of committee, while the Senate version of the bill has already been approved by the full Senate. There is strong research showing that lowering the legal blood alcohol limit will reduce fatal and serious injury crashes by 25 to 35%. Drivers aware of the lower threshold change their behavior, drinking less before getting behind the wheel, resulting in fewer traffic stops, fewer DUI prosecutions, and most importantly, a reduction in deaths and injuries. This policy is supported by our state's Traffic Safety Commission and Department of Health, the American Medical Association, the American Public Health Association, the National Safety Council, and the National Transportation Safety Board. We are behind the rest of the world, where most countries have long maintained the legal blood alcohol limit at 0.05 or even lower. I've heard from too many broken-hearted mothers and fathers and sons and daughters and best friends. It's time we make an effort to stop these avoidable fatal crashes from happening. You have an opportunity to weigh in on this proposal, and I hope you do. There are a number of ways to share your opinion, so please don't hesitate to make it known. Whether the limit is 0.08 or 0.05, it's still never a good idea to get behind the wheel of a car and drive after you've been drinking. The consequences of that choice can be irreversible and life-altering. Just don't do it. That's all for now. Thank you for your interest in these important matters of public policy. Stay tuned for the next Good Minute coming soon.